Once again, ladies and gentlemen, coming up next, qualifying match number 16.
All right, over here on the Red Alliance, we'll start off with Team 4150.
First team, 4150, drives a robot they call Beatrice. They're from Murraysville, Pennsylvania. It's Robotics.
All right, next up in the red, on red, is Team 4467.
Driving the robot called Perseus, it's the team from Peters Township High School, the Titanium Titans.
And finally for the Red Alliance, Team 4269.
Making the trip all the way up from Columbus, Ohio, driving the robot called the Legend 27. It's the Cardinal Bots of St. Charles Preparatory School.
All right, over here in the red, on the blue side is Team 2252.
First team, 2252, has been participating since 2007. They're out of Milan, Ohio. They're the Mavericks.
All right, next up for the Blue Alliance, Team 3504.
Proudly representing 31 public, private, chartered, and homeschool groups from the greater Pittsburgh area, it's the Girls of Steel.
And finally for the Blue Alliance, Team 6054.
They're the pride of Alliance, Ohio. Let's hear it again for the Dukes.
Just a little fun fact about this game. This is the first time that First Robotics competition has allowed players on the field during the match in a game piece via the airships. No time before this were players allowed inside of the field of play. It's kind of nifty, a unique experience. RFTA, staring at the screen. I think this makes it go faster. Can we get a few more volunteers to stare at the screen? Just waiting on one more team on the Red Alliance, Team 4269. And according to this green light right here, I think we're almost ready to start. All right, all the gates are closed. The drivers are behind the line. The pilots are ready to take flight in 3, 2, 1, go.
And here we go. Qualifying match number 16 is underway. All 6 robots are in motion. Blue Alliance is able to get their main rotor activated first, adding 60 points to their overall score. Red Alliance received a gear but just couldn't get it installed and get that rotor activated during the autonomous period. They'll have to settle for 40 points. At the end of our opening period, our score is 65-55. Blue Alliance is out in front. Now they extend the lead as they activate a second rotor. Red Alliance is in a little bit of a hole, but if anybody can work their way out of it, these 3 teams that make up the Red Alliance certainly can. 44-67. Hitting the switch, releasing more fuel into the field of play. That fuel spilling out on the far side of the field. Mavericks now. That's Blue Alliance team 2257. Trying to reload. Unable to connect. They dropped the gear. Now they have to wait for another one. They've got it now, and they're on the move. Streaking through the neutral zone, back to the base of the Blue Alliance airship. Mavericks know how to deliver the mail. Gear now in the hands of the very capable air crew as they install it in the gear train aboard the Blue Alliance airship. 45 seconds remaining. Blue Alliance out in front, but only by 5 points. Red Alliance is moving and moving fast. Seconds remain now. Blue Alliance started out with the lead, but the Red Alliance has closed to within 5. Ropes have been deployed. Robots now maneuvering into position. 10 seconds left. Blue Alliance with one robot signaling that it is ready for flight. They lose their grip and slide back down. Time has expired. Both alliances had one robot each signaling it was ready for flight. In the closing seconds, the Blue Alliance robot lost its grip, slipped down the rope,